I would rather work in my restaurant every single day, 15 hours a day, than go back into my, close to seven-figure job in corporate America. So this can be a little raw one, but oh God, I just went to a restaurant. It's actually a local spot that I used to go to on a regular basis with what I'll call corporate people, right next to where I used to have a 9 to 5, several years back. And, sitting in the bar, just grabbing something to eat, between, doing the Airbnbs, checking in some people on the boat and then heading to the restaurant to check on things. And these two guys sit next to me, and clearly they're, corporate guys or whatever. One is the boss of the other. I would say somewhere, I don't know, mid to upper management. I can't, I'm not gonna go into all the details, but like just the corporatism, the politics that happens in corporate America, it's really interesting being out of it and going back and looking at, listening to people, what they're saying, and being, knowing that you were in those types of conversations, and sort of this always seesaw of, trying to gain leverage with who your boss is and trying to show your value, and just this whole politics thing that you have to do to sort of ever, exceed in the corporate lifestyle. I was just like, I don't know, man, it was just disgusting. It was just terrible. And I just couldn't think to myself, like, how lucky I am to be headed to the restaurant right now, probably to, shake some fry baskets, probably to do some work where most people, when they walk in there, will be like, look at this old, 45-year-old guy or whatever, flipping burgers or whatever. You're about to probably do some dishes until 11 o'clock at night, just kind of helping out the crew, building rapport, culture, all that kind of stuff. And just thinking like how lucky I am to be able to do that versus sitting at that bar that I was just at, having the same damn conversation that all corporate people have, trying to prove their worth, trying to prove how they're better than the person that's next to them, discrediting their coworkers. It's bad. It's politics, and it's worse. Politics are government, politics are corporate. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. So to that, just want to say to you guys out there, if you are in high school right now, about to head into college, about to get that degree, and that's actually part of what these guys are talking about, like, oh, what degree does she have? Blah, 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 whatever. Like, if you're about to go ahead that degree, just really think about, God, do you want to go into that corporate, just bullshit, just political? Never. I would rather work in my restaurant every single day, 15 hours a day, than go back into my, close to seven-figure job in corporate America. No fucking way. Absolutely no way. It's disgusting. It's terrible. It's a drain. It's a brain suck. It makes you stupid. It's not life. It's not living. And for the love of God, you have one life. Live it and be happy. And it ain't that. It ain't what I just sat next to. So think about it.